Hi everyone, it's Nicole from Kale Junkie. I just got back from Whole Foods Market where I did all of my meal prep shopping for the week. I'm a busy, full-time working mom of 2 small boys, so doing meal prep every week is essential to making sure that I've got my family fed nutritious and wholesome meals. So today I'm gonna take you along for a wild ride. We're gonna do some meal prep in the kitchen where I'm gonna show you some easy grab-and-go mason jar lunches and my top tricks and tips for a successful meal prep in the kitchen. Shopping at Whole Foods Market is really a no-brainer for me and my family, and that's because we're really particular about ingredients. At Whole Foods, there are no artificial preservatives, colors, sweeteners, and any hydrogenated fats in any of their products, which really makes it easy for me to find nutritious ingredients for whatever I'm making. Today I'm going to show you how to make mason jar lunches for busy weekdays when you just need to grab and go. One of the things that I like to do is roast up a few different veggies that I can interchange and mix and match throughout the week. Today we're going to roast some butternut squash and some Brussels sprouts. It's super easy. All you have to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Pour your butternut squash on 1 baking sheet and your Brussels sprouts on the other. Drizzle olive oil all over. I don't measure, just a little bit to coat well. Next, sprinkle on some salt and pepper. On the butternut squash, I love the taste of some garlic powder. And on the Brussels sprouts, I love to add a little bit of oregano for an Italian flavor. Place both sheets in the oven and bake for 25 minutes, flipping at the halfway point. Now that I've finished all my cooking, I'm ready to start assembling my mason jar lunches. For our first mason jar, pour in a little bit of Italian dressing. Next, add some tomatoes, then some broccoli, some of the roasted butternut squash that we just prepared, some sliced almonds, grilled salmon that I picked up from the prepared foods case, and a blend of spinach and arugula. Put your top on and put it directly in the refrigerator. For our second mason jar, again, pour in some dressing. Add your tomatoes, garbanzo beans, roasted Brussels sprouts that we just prepared, a handful of cashews, some wild planet tuna, and a blend of spinach and arugula. Again, place the top on and put it in your refrigerator. The last mason jar that we're gonna make today is kid-friendly, and this is the one that my 3-year-old absolutely loves. Pour in a little bit of Whole Foods barbecue sauce at the bottom. I try to keep sugar in our house to a minimum, so just 1 to 2 tablespoons. Next, add some tomatoes, some garbanzo beans, and some of the Brat Hans chicken strips. These are a huge time saver in our house because they're already cooked and my kids love them. Next, we add some spinach and arugula blend and top it off with Mexican blend cheese. That's it. Your meal prep is all done. These will stay fresh in the fridge for up to 3 days. I like to make about 6 jars at a time so that my family and I have meals for the next few days.